Hi everyone, it's Emily here, making some more dice decisions. I just got home from work and I can't decide what to make for dinner. I guess everyone can relate to that when you're hungry and then you get a bit hungry and choosing what to eat becomes really, really hard. Thankfully, I've got lots of options because I've been receiving lots of these Simplycook spice mixes. I'm not sponsored by them, but I'll show you what it's like at the end because I think they're great. So no list today, but I've got these 6 recipe cards that I've got all the ingredients for in my kitchen. So what have we got? We've got some quesadilla maybe, some moqueca. I don't know. How do you even say that one? Moquesa? I don't know. Looks like a curry of some sort. A Korean bulgogi rice thing. A lentil curry. Some paneer thingy. And finally a laksa curry. So shall we find out what I'm going to eat for dinner tonight? 3. Oh wait, what was that? 1, 2, 3. Ah, that one. Korean bulgogi. So let me find the box so I can show you how it works because it is pretty neat. So you get a little box like that and you have your recipe card with all the ingredients here on the side. You can even take that little bit shopping and you just open this one, get your ingredients. Doesn't ask for that many, it tends to be fairly basic. And then you get these little pods of that one's a sauce, some of it is just herbs. These ones will look like sauces this time. And yeah, you just follow it and then you end up with pretty much what they've got in the picture, like just a nice meal. So there you go. I better go prep that. And if you want to try Simplycook, I will put a sneaky little link down below so you can get your first box for free. And I think I'll get a little discount if you use it. So let me know if you give it a go what you think of it. Bye.